The coordinate plane. The x-axis and the y-axis separate the coordinate plane in 4 regions called quadrants. So you have, this is the coordinate plane. You have 2 axes. The horizontal axis is the x-axis, marked with an X here, and the vertical axis is the y-axis. These 2 axes intersect in a point O called the origin. So in this region is going to be quadrant number 1. This region, quadrant number 2, number 3, and number 4. So in example 1, identify the ordered pair that names point A, this point here. The step 1, start at the origin here. Move left on the x-axis to find the x-coordinate of point A. I'm going to move 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it's going to be -3, moving to the left. This is the x-coordinate of point A, -3. Now, step 2, move up the y-axis to find the y-coordinate, which is 0.4. I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and get 0.8. So the coordinates of point A is going to be named by like this. This is my x-coordinates, -3, and this is my y-coordinate, 4. So very easy, I can locate point 8 if I say that point 8 is given by the order pair -3, 4, where -3 at x coordinate, at 4 is the y coordinate. Let's go to example 2 now. Identify the point located at 5, 4. So I'm going to use the same thing. I'm going to walk 5 horizontally to the positive location, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to walk vertically 4 positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I locate point B. The coordinates of point B is 5, 4, where 5 is the x coordinates and 4 is the y coordinate. For exercise 1, use the coordinate plane at the right, this one, write the order pair that names each point. Okay, let's go. Point C, where's point C? This one here. Have to start at the origin and walk horizontally, -1, -2. So my x coordinate is going to be -2. Then in -2 I have to walk down 2 units, -1 and -2. So the y coordinate is going to be -2. So my point C is located at -2, -2. Point D, we're going to do the same thing. Find the x and y coordinates. Point D is this one. I start at the origin and walk to the positive of x, 1, 2, and this is going to be my x coordinate. And from here, going to walk down 1, 2, meaning -2. This is the coordinates of point D. Let's go to point E. Let's write the coordinates of point E. Point E is this one. So I have to start in 0 and count to the right. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And go down 1, 2, 3, -3. So it's going to be 4, -3. 4, -3. For point F is right here. I'm going to start walking from 0 horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, meaning -5. So my x is going to be -5. And from here I'm going to walk down 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be -4 horizontally. So -5 and -4 is going to be the order pair that locates my point F. Point G. Point G is going to be starting by 0. I'm going to go -1, -2, -3, -4. So my x coordinate -4, and my y coordinate is +1 because I'm going up 1. So in the coordinate plane in this one, we have for exercise 1 to 4, use the map shown below. The x indicates buried treasures. Okay, look at it. We have 1x here, 1x here, 1x here, 1x here. They are buried treasures, okay? So the first one is going to be, what are the coordinates of the northmost treasure? The northmost is going to be this one here. So the coordinates are going to be, look at that, in 0, it's going to be 0 and 75 north. 0 and 75 north. It's going to be, I'm going to write it here as 0, 75 degrees north. This is going to be this one. Now let's go to number 2. What are the coordinates of the westmost treasure? Westernmost is going to be this one here. So let's see. Horizontally, they are located at 120 west, 120 degrees west, and vertically is going to be this distance here, that is 15 degrees south. 15 degrees south. So this is the location of the westernmost treasure. Number 3, what are the coordinates of the treasure located in its own island? Okay, this is the island, so this is going to be the treasure. Let's see which are the coordinates. The horizontal one is going to be this one, 120 east, 120 degrees east, and the vertical is going to be this distance here that equals to this distance here. If you go to the left, you are going to see 45 degrees south. 45 degrees south. Now, it's very easy. And you're going to do number 4, 5, and 6.